Struggling with the 0x800f0801 error code on Windows 11? I'll guide you through the quick steps to resolve this issue and have your system running smoothly again. Press Win plus I to open settings, then in the left pane, select Windows Update. In the case that updates are available to be downloaded, click on the Install Now button and wait for the process to finish. Otherwise, click on the Check for Updates button. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Enter the search bar, press Windows plus S, then type CMD and right-click on the most relevant result to run it as an administrator. Type or paste in the following commands and press Enter after each. Enter or paste the following command into the text box and hit Enter. If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution. Press the Windows key plus I and navigate to System in the left panel, followed by Troubleshoot. Once you're inside the Troubleshoot menu, tap on Other Troubleshooters. Now scroll down until you find the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click Run. After the troubleshooter has completed searching for errors, it will reveal the precise bug that occurred as well as information on how to fix it. Remember to read and follow the instructions on your screen attentively. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. Open Search menu, then type Windows Features, then click on it. Tick the box next to .NET Framework. 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0, then click OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.